Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by opening the Status tab and confirming permissions for microphone and storage. Once done, choose whether you'll record live audio, attach a saved audio file, or play music externally while filming. Then, tap the camera icon to begin recording or the paperclip to attach a file. Make sure your mic level is clear. Move closer to reduce background noise. If you're using music from another device, set volume and test a short clip before recording to confirm mix balance. Once you have a recording or an attached audio file, you must edit and sync it. Use the trim handles to remove dead space and align key beats or spoken lines. This matters if you lip sync. Next, add text or stickers where helpful and adjust the overlay music volume so speech remains intelligible. Make sure to preview multiple times. If you hear lag, re-record a short segment or lower processing filters. Finally, verify the full clip's pacing and clarity before proceeding to share. Now finalize by selecting your audience and tapping the send button to post the status. After upload, play your own status to confirm audio quality and sync. If you notice the audio is missing or distorted, first check microphone and storage permissions, then confirm the file format, re-encode to MP3 or AAC if needed, and re-upload. Make sure network connectivity is stable during upload. If problems persist, restart WhatsApp and retry. One quick fix is lowering bitrate when exporting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.